Have you ever experienced the disappointment of trying to initiate a FaceTime call on your iPhone, only to find that it's simply not working? Whether you're unable to make or receive calls, experiencing connection issues, or facing audio or video problems, a malfunctioning FaceTime can be incredibly frustrating. No worries, this video will show you some tips to fix FaceTime not working issue. Let's get started. Tip 1. Ensure FaceTime is enabled on your iPhone. The very first thing you need to verify on your iPhone is that FaceTime is actually enabled on your device. Launch the Settings app from the springboard on your iPhone. Scroll down and locate the option that says FaceTime. When you find it, tap on it to open it. On the following screen, you will find a toggle that says FaceTime. Turn the toggle to the on position to enable FaceTime on your iPhone. Tip 2. Reset your iPhone network settings. If there is any misconfiguration in your iPhone's network settings, FaceTime will not function properly. You can reset the network settings on your iPhone to fix the issue. Launch the Settings app. Tap on General followed by Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings to reset your network settings to the defaults. Launch the FaceTime app and you will find it now connects without any issues. Tip 3. Correct the date and time options. FaceTime requires that you have the correct date and time configured on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the option that says General. Then tap on Date and Time on the following screen. Turn on the Set Automatically option. Launch the FaceTime app and see if you are able to make a call. Tip 4. Check if Apple servers are down. FaceTime uses Apple's servers to work, and if those servers are down, you cannot make any calls with FaceTime on your phone. Head over to the Apple Server Status webpage and see if their FaceTime servers are facing downtime. If they are, wait for Apple to bring them back up. You cannot really do anything in this situation. Tip 5. Repair iOS issues with AnyFix. If these tips are not working, we recommend trying AnyFix to fix issues on your iPhone. AnyFix is an all-in-one iOS system repair tool that can fix iOS and iTunes issues, and help upgrade and downgrade iOS versions easily. Now, let's show you how to fix iOS issues with AnyFix. Download and run AnyFix on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPhone via a USB cable and click System Repair. Next, choose Screen Stuck and click Start Now. Here are 3 repair options, you can choose as you need. We choose Standard Repair in this video. Click to download firmware. Note, please connect to a stable network and wait patiently during the downloading process. After downloading, click Start to repair. AnyFix will fix the issue and your iPhone will back to normal.